ठग्स के रिलीज के बाद मुझे 2 साल तो लगेंगे फिल्म बनाने में,
अरे
तो फिर 3 साल के बाद मेरी एज ए डायरेक्टर मेरी 2 साल के बाद फिल्म आएगी। मोस्ट ग्रेटफुल टू माई फैंस हु गो आउट ऑफ देयर वे टू सपोर्ट मी, टू सपोर्ट माई फिल्म्स। लॉट टाइम्स पीपल आस्क मी, आपको डर नहीं लगता है, आप ऐसे अलग अलग फिल्में करते हैं विच इज अ वेरी रिस्की फिल्म्स? PK has released in Korea, I suppose, yeah. I like that pillow of mine, so I travel with that pillow everywhere. Yeah. Hi, this is Amir and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
Well, Dangal was about the dream of a father which a daughter fulfills. This is about the hopes and aspirations of a 14-year-old girl from a small town in India. I don't know what the box office will be, but it's a bigger film than Dangal. That's what Amir Khan has said about Secret Superstar, and it's a huge honor and privilege to have Amir back with us on Bollywood now, first of all.
Thank you.
And when you say that it's a bigger film than Dangal, that's like a huge statement as well that you make.
Yeah, because I think what the film is trying to say is much larger. And that's why it's a bigger film than Dangal, because it's trying to say something much bigger. While both the films are about the empowerment of the girl child, and दोनों फिल्मों में हम कोशिश ये कर रहे हैं कि लोगों को ये एहसास हो कि एक लड़की जो है उसका लड़की लड़के में कोई अंतर नहीं होना चाहिए, और लड़कियों को भी उतनी आज़ादी होनी चाहिए अपनी इंडिविजुअलिटी को फॉलो करने में, अपने ड्रीम्स को फॉलो करने में। तो दोनों फिल्में इस थॉट पे, इस टॉपिक पे हैं। लेकिन फिर भी दंगल अल्टीमेटली एक बाप की कहानी है। उसका सपना है कि उसे देश के लिए गोल्ड जीतना है, सोचता है मेरा बेटा करेगा, बेटा नहीं होता।
हर खिलाड़ी की तरह मेरा भी सपना था, देश के लिए गोल्ड मेडल लाना। जो मैं करना चाहता था वो हमारा बेटा करके दिखावेगा। देश के लिए गोल्ड जीतेगा हमारा बेटा, अपना तिरंगा सबसे ऊपर लहरावेगा।
और किस तरह उसकी बेटी वो करके दिखाती है, जो आमतौर पे हमको लगता है बेटा ही करेगा, वो बेटी करके दिखाती है। तो इट्स अ बिग स्टेटमेंट।
गोल्ड जीती तो मिसाल बन जाएगी, और मिसालें दी जाती हैं बेटा, भूली नहीं जाती।
और बाप को भी जब रियलाइज होता है तो वो उनको फुल सपोर्ट करता है। बट स्टिल एक जो पिविटल रोल है दंगल में, वो बाप का रोल है। तो जब हम लड़कियों की बात कर रहे हैं, या उनकी इक्वालिटी की बात कर रहे हैं, या उनके होप्स और ड्रीम्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, एक मेल कैरेक्टर है जो बहुत सपोर्टिव है, जो लीड स्टेप ले रहा है उसमें जी। दंगल में, इसमें वो भी नहीं है। दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग
फादर इज अगेंस्ट द
फादर इसमें एंटागनिस्ट है जी। लेकिन जरूरी ये है कि इसमें लड़की जो है वो खुद अपने फैसले ले रही है, वो खुद क्या करना है वो तय कर रही है, कैसे करना है वो तय कर रही है। और वो एक 14 साल की लड़की है जो एक छोटे शहर से आती है। हिंदुस्तान में तो बहुत बड़ा देश है, लेकिन आज हिंदुस्तान में जो छोटे शहर हैं, वहाँ जो आबादी है, वहाँ की जो यूथ है, उनके मन में क्या सपने हैं, क्या उनके ड्रीम्स और होप्स हैं, उसके बारे में फिल्म है। तो आई थिंक इट्स अ मच लार्जर, व्हाट द फिल्म इज अटेम्प्टिंग इज मच लार्जर, which is why I say it's a bigger film than Dangal in what it is trying to say, in what it is trying to convey, and in how it is trying to convey also.
Correct. Now, I was reading this article on Forbes actually, and it says that if Secret Superstar goes on to become a big hit, then Amir Khan will be the biggest star in the world, not only in India but
world.
Yeah. So, and because their entire analysis is that you're huge in China, which is the biggest territory in the world as of now, and your films are doing exceptionally well over there. And people like Tom Cruise and Will Smith, and their films have not really done well of late as far as their movies are concerned. So that is the analysis that they're taking. So how do you look at the fact that people have these expectations from you now, and those are like huge expectations?
Actually, ये expectations में मैं नहीं जाता हूँ। मेरी expectations बहुत छोटी हैं, इतनी बड़ी नहीं है, और ना मुझे वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा स्टार बनना है। मुझे अच्छी फिल्में बनानी है, और वो फिल्में जो मैं बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ वो अच्छी बने। मेरी वहाँ तक एक्सपेक्टेशन है, और वहाँ तक मेरी उम्मीद है कि जो भी हम फिल्म बनाएं, जो भी हम फिल्म चुने, वो हम अच्छे से बना पाएं।
Absolutely.
वो मेरा मेन कंसर्न है, और मेरा ध्यान उसमें लगा है। तो फिर ये सब चीजें एनालिसिस में जाती हैं जो आप लोग करते हैं बाद में, वो मेरा काम नहीं है.
Right, but still, like the way Dangal has been getting the sort of response, it's done exceptionally well.
Done
in,
really well, yeah.
In China, and then Hong Kong recently, and Taiwan, and so it's like it's still going from strength to strength. This is something that that India has never seen before, and many would say that in terms of world cinema as well, that no one has seen such sort of response.
But you know, the credit of that is not mine. You see, as a star, my pull on any film will only last the first weekend.
Right.
Dangal's success is much beyond the first weekend. So the success, the bulk of the responsibility and the credit of the success goes to Nitish as a director, and to Nitish and his team of writers as writers. They are the people who thought of the script.
Right.
They have written something beautiful, and Nitish has made that film. My contribution is as an actor, like the other 4 girls, like Sakshi ji, like Girish. We have actors have done our best to convey those characters which they have. तो मेरा credit उसकी इतनी जो बड़ी सफलता हुई है, the big success is not because of my stardom. मतलब that is the honest truth.
You know, but
PK's big success is not my credit. The credit doesn't go to me, it goes to Raju. My credit ends at the first 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. उसके बाद when the film is a huge success, the credit has to go to the director and the writer. Other than these two, all of us have, contributed equally. All the actors have contributed equally. All the technicians have contributed equally. But the real credit should go to the director and the writer.
see, I think that is the large-heartedness as far as you.
No, it's not large-heartedness.
No, but I'll give you a few facts. I'll give you a few facts.
Trust me, it's not large-hearted.
No, I totally accept
I'm
that.
telling you, it's the fact. I mean, since you're talking about stardom,
जी.
आपने जो जुमले भी यूज किए, बिगेस्ट स्टार इन द वर्ल्ड एंड ऑल दैट, ये
That's what Forbes
वो
has.
हाँ, वो फोर्ब्स किया नहीं, मैं मान रहा हूँ उन्होंने बोला होगा ऐसा, लेकिन आई एम सेइंग दैट इज देयर एनालिसिस. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, the stardom of a star cannot be calculated based on his successes, because none of the successes of a star are actually his successes. It is the success of the film. A superstar never makes a film. The film makes me a superstar. Dangal has made me popular in China, in other places in the world.
Right.
I have not made Dangal popular. Dangal has made me popular.
I think that's a wonderful view that you have, because a film has to be looked at in totality, the script and the entire thing is important. But if I give you a few facts, actually, 3 Idiots is something that has worked like brilliantly. Yeah. Beat PK as well has worked brilliantly, yeah. and Dangal as well. In fact, I sent you a message a few days back as well that a friend of mine was traveling to a small town in China, and he's a teacher basically. He teaches in London, and he was on a some sort of teaching sort of expedition in China, in a small town in China, and out of 30 students in his class, 20 they knew who Aamir Khan is, and they know your movies. So even in terms of stardom, to have that sort of appeal the way you are having, and even like there's my niece in US, and she says that in my school, in my class, there are several Chinese students and they know Aamir Khan. So to have that sort of appeal as well,
but
is something that
is because of my film.
Films.
That appeal have got because of my films, huh?
Okay.
It is the films that have appealed to people's hearts, right. And because I am a part of the film, lead actor also, because I'm a lead, उसका क्रेडिट मुझे मिल रहा है, वो मेरे काम को पसंद कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मैंने उन फिल्मों को नहीं बनाया सुपरहिट वो फिल्मों ने डायरेक्टर्स को बनाया, राइटर्स ने बनाया, मैं उसका एक हिस्सा रहा हूं. मैंने ओपनिंग तक उस फिल्म को पुश किया एज अ स्टार, ये मैं मानता. एक्चुअली अगर आपको स्टार की स्टारडम मेजर करनी है ना, तो आप उसकी फ्लॉप्स देखो कि फिल्म बुरी है, मतलब कल को मैं बुरी फिल्म बनाऊं, आई होप कि ऐसा ना हो, लेकिन कल को अगर मैं बुरी फिल्म बनाऊं, तब हम देखते हैं उसका कलेक्शन कितना होगा. कि यार फिल्म बुरी है लेकिन आमिर के स्टारडम पे ये धंधा हुआ है, then you will measure my stardom. So you should measure the stardom of a star with his flops, not with his hits.
Okay, see,
if you know what I'm trying to say.
See, I'm sure
अगर
that
pure आपको stardom
जी
check
बिल्कुल,
करना
you know much more than what I think we would know any day. But say I'm just giving you some more facts as far as Dangal is concerned in China. The first day was 15 crores, and the 9th day was 80, and I think the 12th day was 100 crores.
100 crores, yeah.
So even from that day, if you're talking about first 3 days, so
That proves my point. That proves my point.
Okay.
कि एज आमिर खान चाइना में पहले दिन 15 करोड़, दूसरे दिन जो भी था 20, 25, 30 करोड़, ये रेंज में था. 40 करोड़ था शायद, संडे बड़ा था. तो ये रेंज में मैंने पुल किया. अगले वीकेंड में वो 80 करोड़ हो गया, 100 करोड़ हो गया. क्यों अगले वीकेंड में क्यों हुआ, फर्स्ट वीकेंड में क्यों नहीं हुआ?
Okay.
क्योंकि वो बात स्प्रेड हुई चाइना में कि भैया बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है, बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है. तो कलेक्शन आमतौर पे अगले हफ्ते नीचे जाता है, अगले हफ्ते और ऊपर हो गया. तो इसका क्रेडिट किसको मिलना चाहिए? स्टार तो पहले भी था, मैं वही एक्टर था, लेकिन फिल्म की वजह से वो कलेक्शन ऊपर गया. इट प्रूव्स माय पॉइंट व्हाट यू आर सेइंग.
Okay, China is become this big territory, but as far as India is concerned, which is the core that we have, I think a lot needs to be done in terms of the distribution network and in terms of the theaters that we have, because China, there are I think more than 30,000 screens that 45,000 screens that they have, and we need to. What do you think that possibly
No,
we
I
can
think
be doing
we
that?
definitely need more screens in India.
जी.
अगर हमको, if we want to reach more people, मैं इतना बिजनेस का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं देखता हूँ, लेकिन उसमें बिजनेस भी ऊपर जाएगा. लेकिन मैं एज अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन ये सोचता हूँ, आई वांट टू रीच मोर पीपल. मैं और लोगों तक पहुँचना चाहता हूँ. तो उसके लिए आज के डेट में जो हम फिल्म बनाते हैं बड़े स्क्रीन के लिए, उसमें हम साउंड डिज़ाइन करते हैं उस हिसाब से. डॉल्बी का 5.1 मिक्स होता है, एटमॉस मिक्स होता है. तो हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी ऑडियंस बड़े पर्दे पे देखे, उसको पूरा मज़ा आए. जो हमने फिल्म बनाई है उसका पूरा मज़ा ले. वो छोटे से फ़ोन पे मज़ा कहाँ आएगा, या टीवी स्क्रीन पे कम हो जाता है. वो लैपटॉप पे वो मज़ा नहीं आएगा आपको. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्क्रीन्स बने हिंदुस्तान में, और जो हमारी आबादी है, जो हमारी पॉपुलेशन है, उसके हिसाब से वी हैव वेरी फ्यू स्क्रीन्स. वी नीड मोर स्क्रीन्स, सो दैट आई वांट टू रीच मोर एंड मोर ऑफ माई ऑडियंस थ्रू द बिग स्क्रीन. अल्टीमेटली हिंदुस्तान में सभी लोग देख लेते हैं, वो जब टीवी पे आती देख लेते हैं, और पायरेसी से देख लेते हैं, और जगह देख लेते हैं. तो वो देख तो सभी लेते हैं, लेकिन एज अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन मैं चाहता हूं कि जिस तरह से हमने बनाई है फिल्म, वो उस तरह से लोग उसका मजा ले पाए.
Absolutely.
तो ज्यादा स्क्रीन्स होने चाहिए डेफिनेटली. आई थिंक हमारे यहाँ भी 40-45 हजार स्क्रीन्स
होना चाहिए,
आराम से हो सकता है.
And right now we have, I think, अगर साउथ को मिलाएं तो 8 to 10,000
8
screens,
to 10,000 मैक्सिमम.
which is less.
हाँ, और वो हिंदी फिल्मों के लिए वो 5,000 तक हो
5,000
जाता है,
तक
क्योंकि
हो
हम साउथ में इतने सारे थिएटरों में हम रिलीज भी नहीं कर पाते.
जी, absolutely. So what sort of screen count are you looking for Secret Superstar?
Secret Superstar is coming on Diwali along with Golmaal. So I'm assuming that the multiplexes will split 50-50 for the shows, and single screens, I think we will probably have 150-200 single screens.
Okay.
Across India. Yeah. Not
Something-
many single.
Something like 2,800 या
2,500 ऐसे कुछ. हाँ, मैं
Plus,
exactly, मैं एक्चुअली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का मुझे इतनी नॉलेज नहीं
जी.
है, ये मैं से मोटा ऊपर से बोल रहा हूँ.
जी, अच्छा.
But around, so we'll have half the space, and
Great.
Golmaal will have.
Great. You've also said that Secret Superstar, it is one of his toughest roles. Like Shakti Kumar, you've said that it's one of your toughest.
Yeah, it's one of my toughest roles because actually, वो naturally I am not like शक्ति कुमार. वो जो उसकी पर्सनालिटी है शक्ति कुमार की, वो मुझसे बहुत ज्यादा अलग है.
इस बार शक्ति अवार्ड लेगा नहीं, देगा. So, here I am to give the award for the best singer, female, and the award goes to.
जैसे अगर आप तारे ज़मीं पर देखेंगे या 3 Idiots देखेंगे, रैंचो एंड निकुम सर, दैट्स मोर माय काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. It's very close to my personality. This guy is someone who's very far from my personality. तो खैर एज एन एक्टर तो हम हर किस्म के किरदार प्ले करते हैं, लेकिन वो मुझसे तो सिर्फ वो किरदार करना इनफ नहीं. यू हैव टू थिंक लाइक दैट पर्सन, यू हैव टू फील लाइक दैट पर्सन. जब मैं शेखी कर रहा हूँ और बड़ाई कर रहा हूँ, व्हेन आई एम थ्रोइंग माय वेट अराउंड, व्हेन आई एम शोइंग ऑफ, आई मस्ट एक्चुअली फील दैट आई एम द बेस्ट. तो वो आई एम द बेस्ट की फीलिंग अंदर से आनी चाहिए.
Looks very entertaining actually.
तो हाँ, ही इज अ वेरी एंटरटेनिंग कैरेक्टर. एक्चुअली उसमें बहुत सारी खराबियां हैं, लेकिन वो जिस तरह से लिखा गया है, वो आपको खराबियां डिस्टर्ब नहीं करती. वो आपको हंसाती हैं. ही इज द एक्चुअली कॉमिक रिलीफ. माई कैरेक्टर इज द कॉमिक रिलीफ इन द फिल्म. ही इज वेरी फनी. यू नो ही ऑल हिज एंटिक्स आर वेरी फनी.
Right.
मेरा नया गाना सुना है?
कौन सा? वो धीरे धीरे से.
वो तो पुराना हो गया. नया वाला है, जोर जोर से.
In fact, when you have this dialogue that awards लेते लेते मैं थक गया हूँ.
फ्रेंड्स, अवार्ड्स लेते लेते थक गया हूँ. I'm tired.
So you're actually commenting on
No,
on
I'm
that.
not. Actually, I'm not. You know, I'm afraid people will think that, but I'm not actually commenting. वो उसने स्क्रिप्ट उसमें ऐसी लिखी थी कि वो कैरेक्टर है जिसको वो शक्ति कुमार का जो किरदार है, he loves awards. वाह, उसको अवार्ड चाहिए भाई. उसको मिलता नहीं है अवार्ड यार. तो वो बहुत डिस्टर्ब होता है कि यार मुझे अवार्ड नहीं मिलता है यार. वो बहुत, उसको अवार्ड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो अब किरदार के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है तो मुझे, मेरे लिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज आई एम एन एक्टर प्लेइंग दैट. सो फॉर द, आई हैव टू बी ऑनेस्ट
Right.
टू द कैरेक्टर.
Right.
So for him, awards is a big deal. He really wants those awards. So I have to play it with feeling. He really wants them. तो जब वो बोलता भी अवार्ड लेते मैं थक गया हूँ, एक्चुअली वो लोग उसको देते नहीं अवार्ड. तो वो, बट ही डजंट वांट टू एडमिट कि मेरे आज तक अवार्ड नहीं मिला है.
Right.
वो उसको पब्लिकली एडमिट नहीं करना है.
Right.
तो स्टेज पे जब आता है तो वही बोलता है कि यार अवार्ड्स लेते थक गया हूँ, I'm tired. तो आज मैं अवार्ड दूंगा. तो मतलब एक्सक्यूज कर रहा है कि मैं क्यों, मुझे क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है अवार्ड.
जी.
तो वो डिफेंसिव कैरेक्टर है, उसकी सोच थोड़ी छोटी है, ऐसा है.
Right. And even when you have that moment that मेरा नया गाना सुना,
हाँ,
and then she says that धीरे धीरे से.
हाँ.
So then
वो तो पुराना हो गया.
वो तो पुराना हो गया. That.
मेरा नया गाना सुना है?
कौन सा? वो धीरे धीरे से.
वो तो पुराना हो गया. नया वाला है, जोर जोर से.
सी एक्चुअली ये जो हमने ट्रेलर में दिखाया, हमने वो मेरे कैरेक्टर का बहुत कम दिखाया.
Okay.
बिकॉज एक तो मुझे रॉन्ग इंप्रेशन नहीं देना है ऑडियंस को. लीड कैरेक्टर लड़की है, माँ है. मेरा जो कैमियो है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कैमियो, और एक्चुअली सेकंड हाफ में आता है. वो मेरा रोल मेनली सेकंड हाफ में, जैसे तारे ज़मीं पर में था. मेनली आई कम इन द सेकंड हाफ.
Oh, okay.
फर्स्ट हाफ में है, झलक दिखेगी आपको यहाँ, बट मेन जो मेरा काम है वो सेकंड हाफ में आता है. और दूसरा ये कि उस किरदार के सीन्स में कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हम कहानी की वजह से ट्रेलर में नहीं दिखा सकते. वी विल रिवील टू मच. तो हम ट्रेलर में हम लोग वही पोर्शंस दिखा सके जो हम, जिसमें हम कहानी इतना रिवील नहीं करें. मतलब कहानी से मेरा मतलब है ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स जो है.
Now there is this conjecture as well that apparently your character is based on Nadeem Saifi of Nadeem Shravan.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. एक्चुअली शक्ति कुमार का जो कैरेक्टर है उसमें आपको बहुत सारे लोगों की झलक दिखेगी.
जी.
कोई एक इंसान पर बेस नहीं है, वो किसी भी एक इंसान पर बेस नहीं है. ना आई थिंक अद्वैत के मन में ऐसा था जब वो लिख रहा था, और ना जब हमने उसको एग्जीक्यूट किया उस वक्त भी हमारे कोई एक रियल पर्सनैलिटी हमारे मन में नहीं थी. हम वो एक काल्पनिक कैरेक्टर बना रहे हैं, उसमें शायद आपको अलग अलग लोगों की झलक शायद दिखे, बट बाकी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Okay, and you have this dialogue that तुम जैसे टैलेंटेड बच्चे हैं ना, वो सोडे में बबल्स की तरह होते हैं, वो ऐसे ही ऊपर आते हैं.
तुम जैसे टैलेंटेड बच्चे होते हैं ना, सोडे में इस बबल्स की तरह होते हैं. वो ऐसे ही ऊपर आते हैं अपने आप, उन्हें कोई नहीं रोक सकता.
Now Advait told me that apparently this line was written by you.
I know, no, actually what happened is that मैं तो भूल गया था. जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट सुनी तो मुझे ये लाइन बहुत अच्छी लगी. मैं बोला यार बड़ी अच्छी लाइन लिखी तूने. तो ही सेड नहीं, ये सर आपकी लाइन है. तो मैंने बोला मैंने कब ये आपको लाइन दी है? ही सेड नहीं, आपने लाइन नहीं दी, आप एक्चुअली रियल लाइफ में हुआ था ये. आई वाज शूटिंग समवेयर, और अद्वैत वाज माय मैनेजर दैट टाइम.
जी.
तो कोई मुझसे मिलने आया था और वो बोल रहा था यार मेरा बेटे, उसको जरा समझाओ, वो थोड़ा सा अच्छा पढ़ेगा, ये करेगा, वो करेगा. यू विल टेल हिम देन ही विल स्टडी हार्ड. तो आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू टेल द फादर कि डोंट प्रेशराइज हिम सो मच, ही विल डू वेल इन लाइफ, डोंट वरी. तो आई टोल्ड हिम बच्चे जो होते हैं ना, दे आर लाइक दीज बबल्स. मैं वो टाइम पे कोक पी रहा था. ऐसे ये कोक में जो बबल्स है ना, ऐसे होते हैं बच्चे, वो अपने आप ऊपर आते हैं. आप इतना टेंशन मत लो. ऐसे करके मैंने उसको बताया, बच्चे को और बाप को, कि आप इतना टेंशन मत लो, लाइफ में सब ठीक होगा, एंजॉय लाइफ.
Okay.
तो वो लाइन उसने पकड़ ली थी, मैं तो भूल गया था. सो ही पुट इट इन द फिल्म.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, one question that I had for you was, you know, I've interacted with Fatima, Sania, as well as Zaira recently as well. Even other people who have worked with you, with be it Kunal. I think Kunal, you're quite close to Kunal as well.
Kunal.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And now somehow they tend to, when they talk about you, they tend to talk about it in a very informal manner, and as if many times stars, they don't just let the people around them to maybe talk about them informally or in a casual manner. So, but somehow they seem to be very comfortable around you,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
they end up talking about as if you're their friend or their buddy. Where does that stem from? That you
But I am their friend. Matlab, I see stardom and all is one thing. I don't take it too seriously. I mean, ultimately, whether it's Kunal, whether it's Sharman, Maddie, we are all friends. How I am placed in my stardom vis-a-vis my friends is not important. My friends are my friends. My stardom is separate. My stardom is for my profession, for my work, for my audience. But for my friends, I'm Amir, and that's how I would like them to behave with me. No special treatment for me, and I also not to give them any special treatment. We should be friends.
Right.
There's all equality, whether it's Zaira, Fatima, Sania, or Advait, Kunnu, Sharman, all the people I'm close to.
right.
There's never a hierarchy.
Okay. And how to look at this entire evolution of Zaira? She's won national award for Dangal, and I think she's an absolute volcano as far as an actress is concerned, and still so young.
Yeah, Zaira is a very gifted actor. बल्कि मैं तो ये कहूँगा कि आज की डेट में हमारी हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में सबसे बेहतरीन एक्टर ज़ायरा है. शी इज़ द बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस दैट वी हैव इन द फिल्म हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. आई नो लॉट ऑफ एक्ट्रेसेस विल बी वेरी अपसेट विद मी.
That's a big statement.
इट्स अ बिग स्टेटमेंट एंड आई एम मेकिंग दैट बिग स्टेटमेंट.
सांस लेने तक को अलाउड नहीं हमें. अरे तेरे अब्बा जैसे नहीं है. मेरे शौहर हैं और तेरे गुड्डू के अब्बा हैं. पर हमारा सिंगर बनने का सपना तो कभी पूरा नहीं हो पाएगा ना.
That she's the best actress.
Best actor. She's the best actress today. In today's time, she's the best actress in the Hindi film industry. She's unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. And very honest as a performer and very, she just hits the right note. She बहुत बेहतरीन काम करती है वो, और वो एक गिफ्टेड एक्टर है. वो ऊपर वाले की देन है उस पर. एंड शी इज़ रियली अमेजिंग. और ये उसकी दूसरी फिल्म है. मतलब हम अब तो और आगे जाएगी वो, एंड आई होप कि वो अपना करियर में और अच्छा काम करे, एंड शी कैन बी अ बिग एसेट टू द इंडस्ट्री. शी इज़ वेरी टैलेंटेड.
In fact, Advait said that the best part is that she does not act. If she has to cry, she actually does that.
Yeah.
Which makes it very, very believable, and
Yeah.
one can relate.
No, she does it from the heart. Whatever the scene is, she does from the heart. And that's how, good actors should be.
Right. We'll come to the fan question that I think we've been waiting for many days.
Many
now.
months.
Yeah, but before that, we'll quickly take a few segments,
Okay.
which is based on the movie in a way as well.
Uh-huh.
So the first one is that what is that one secret that you'd like to know of the following superstars or super personalities?
Okay.
One secret that you'd like to know.
About which personality?
These people. The first one is Kiran Rao. What is that one secret that you'd like to know about her?
किरण का सीक्रेट तो कोई है नहीं मुझसे यार. I know all her secrets. किरण का सीक्रेट. हाँ. I'd like to know where she gets this positive energy from. उसकी positive energy कहाँ से आती है? वो एक सीक्रेट है
Okay.
जो मैं जानना चाहूँगा.
Advait Chandan.
Advait is a very charming guy.
Yeah, he is.
All the girls fall for him. Yeah. तो उसका सीक्रेट क्या है मैं जरा जानना चाहूँगा. How come all the girls flip for him?
Zaira Wasim.
Zaira, her secret of, how she gets the shot, how she, the secret of her talent is what I would like to know.
Okay. Rajkumar Hirani.
Raju, I'd like to know from where the secret of his writing. He's a fantastic writer.
Absolutely.
So the secret of his writing, कहाँ से उसको ये ideas आते हैं, कैसे वो ये scenes लिखता है जो इतने बेहतरीन होते हैं. That's what secret I would like to know.
So can we see another film with you guys?
I would love it. I'd love to work with Raju any day.
Mr. Bachchan.
I think for Mr. Bachchan also same as Zaira. You know, where does his talent come from? Where does his energy and resilience come from?
Absolutely.
You know, so relevant. He's been working in the industry for almost 40 years now. Am I right?
More than 14.
More than 40 years. So how he's managed to keep the interest, keep the resilience, keep the energy.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh, I'd like to know. Shah Rukh, I'd like to know again the secret of his energy. I think Shah Rukh's energy is what is his most appealing quality. You know, he's got a very attractive energy. He's very charming. So where he gets that energy from? He really wins you over. When you're sitting with him, you feel very warm towards him. That's a very fantastic quality to have.
Absolutely.
दिल जीत लेता है वो आपका. तो वो क्वालिटी कहाँ से आती है उसको, और बड़ी नेचुरली आती है.
naturally.
इट कम्स वेरी नेचुरली टू हिम.
And Salman Khan.
Salman, I'd like to know the secret of how his brain works. Yeah, because his brain works in a very unusual way. थोड़ा tangent पे चलता है उसका brain, and it's a very interesting way that his brain works. Non-conforming क्या बोलते हैं?
Yeah.
जैसे tangent पे जाता है उसका brain.
Right.
Lateral thinking.
Lateral thinking.
He's got lateral thinking. Salman.
Great. All right, so I think now let's come to the fan questions that your fans have been waiting for. I think many months now. So let's try and take as many as we possibly can.
Sure.
All right, this is Samid from Bangladesh. What was your reaction when you heard the Secret Superstar script for the first time?
Well, Samit, when I heard the script of Secret, I was sitting right here in the same room actually.
जी.
सिर्फ ये पोस्टर नहीं था, ये अब फिल्म बनने के बाद बना है. But this is where I was sitting exactly, and I really loved the script of Secret Superstar. I was very moved by it. I was very touched by it. The spirit of the girl was just took me by surprise. कि यार ये क्या लड़की है, 14 साल की लड़की है, but वो never say die kind of a spirit she has, and she जो भी उसके जिंदगी में आता है उसको उससे मिलने के बाद उसकी जिंदगी चेंज हो जाती है. किसकी? और लोगों की. She affects the lives of people around her. So fantastic character that Advait has written for the girl, for the mother, for the father, for all the characters are very well written, and I found the film also very uplifting. It's a very inspirational film.
Right.
क्योंकि आज के डेट में हमें से बहुत उस एज ग्रुप के. अच्छा, दंगल का और इसका मैंने एक और कंपैरिजन आपको बोलना है कि दंगल जो है वो पेरेंट्स से बात करती है.
Okay.
दंगल पेरेंट्स को बोलती है कि भाई बच्चों में फर्क मत रखो, लड़का लड़की में फर्क मत रखो.
जी.
सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार बच्चों से बात करती है. इट इज टेलिंग द किड्स, फॉलो योर ड्रीम्स.
क्या बात है.
It is a film talking to the kids of the teenagers, 14-15 age group में. और उस age group में kids have a lot of aspirations, dreams, fears. Sometimes they are finding that whether it's a girl or a boy, you might find that you're very constricted. आपकी जिंदगी में आपको लगता है आप जकड़े हुए हैं, आप जो करना चाहते हैं वो कर नहीं पा रहे हैं.
Right.
तो किस तरह से ये लड़की उसको उन challenges को face करती है, उसकी कहानी.
In fact, I think you've
So
had.
I really love the first narration.
Jay. And you had I think the first screening recently, and people have really liked it. I think there was
Yeah.
standing ovation or something like that.
We had the first जो first copy निकली उसका हमारा screening हुआ और बहुत अच्छा गया. तो touch wood, I think जो हम फिल्म बनाने चले थे वो हम बना पाए. I think what Advait narrated to me और जो सुन के मैंने हाँ बोला है, Advait ने वही फिल्म बनाई है, and he has achieved the film pretty well.
Okay, now what's the importance of test screenings for you? How important are they?
टेस्ट स्क्रीनिंग्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं हमारे लिए, क्योंकि वो तो हम मतलब काफी महीने पहले हम शुरू करते हैं
जी।
जैसे ही फर्स्ट कट रेडी होता है हम टेस्ट स्क्रीनिंग शुरू करते हैं और ऑडियंस को दिखाते हैं, और उनसे जब हमको रिएक्शन मिलता है तो हमको समझ में आता है कि हमारी फिल्म में हमने क्या सही किया क्या गलत किया।
जी।
उससे हमको बहुत हेल्प मिलती है अंडरस्टैंड करने में, और फिर हम करेक्शंस भी कर सकते हैं एडिटिंग में अगर थोड़ी बहुत रीशूटिंग करनी है। सो वी गेट द फिल्म टू द करेक्ट मतलब जो हम कहना चाह रहे हैं उसमें कभी कभी हम गलती करते हैं, और हम उस वक्त क्रिएटिव काम कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग उसके इतने नजदीक होते हैं कि हम उसको डिस्टेंस से देख नहीं पाते, ऑब्जेक्टिवली देख नहीं पाते।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
तो टेस्ट स्क्रीनिंग्स का ये फायदा होता है कि यू गेट अ वेरी ऑब्जेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस, एंड विद दैट यू कैन यूज दैट टू मेक करेक्शंस एंड come close to what you wanted to make.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So I find it very helpful.
Ji. All right, this is Sozan from Iran.
Sozan.
Yeah, hey sir, I'm Sozan from Iran. Tell me something about your role that we don't know. And apparently the movies don't release in Iran. They have to depend on DVDs and all that.
हाँ, internet पे देखते हैं.
Yes. So what is it about role that we still don't know?
Well, I think I've actually spoken about the role quite a bit. The character is a very flamboyant character. He's a very full of himself, slightly over the hill. अब उसका टाइम इतना अच्छा भी नहीं चल रहा है, बट वो अपने आप को 30 मार खान समझता है, and you know, and he's very rude to people also.
Yeah, in terms of judging and everything.
हाँ, ही मतलब किसी का लिहाज नहीं रखता, बदतमीज टाइप का आदमी है, सेल्फ सेंटर्ड। आपसे वो अगर आप कुछ बोल रहे हो तो वो अपने माइंड में अपना ही सोच रहा है, तो वो आपको ठीक से जवाब भी नहीं देगा मतलब भूल जाएगा कि आपने कुछ पूछा भी है, अपनी धुनकी में वो ही वॉन्ट रिस्पॉन्ड टू यू ऑल्सो। मतलब उसने अगर आपको कुछ पूछा भी, आपने रिस्पॉन्ड किया तो वो भूल गया कि आपने और आप क्या बोल रहे हो उसमें उसको जरा भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। उसको खाली इंटरेस्ट है कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं, मैं क्या सोच रहा हूं, उसमें इंटरेस्ट है। बट एक चीज मैं बोल सकता हूं जो शायद अभी तक लोगों को पता नहीं है, ट्रेलर देख के लोगों को शायद ये लगा होगा कि ये किरदार जो है जायरा को हेल्प करता है।
ओके, या
करेक्ट,
बिकॉज ऑफ द बुलबुल थिंग।
जायरा इसका इस्तेमाल करती है, वो है स्पिरिट लड़की का।
अच्छा
वो हेल्प किसी को करते ही नहीं, वो लाइफ में किसी ने को उसने हेल्प नहीं किया, उसको इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं किसी को हेल्प करने में, उसको खुद को हेल्प करना है सिर्फ। वो जायरा का कैरेक्टर है, she makes use of this opportunity and she uses him, which is the brilliance of the writing of Advait. It is the 14-year-old girl who does everything, nobody helps her.
That's very interesting. That's very interesting. Okay, all right, this is Amir from Germany. Have you adopted the style of method acting because of Dilip Kumar Saab?
Well, Amir, actually I'm not a trained actor, so I don't even know what method acting is. थोड़ा बहुत मैंने पढ़ा है method acting के बारे में, but I have not studied method acting, so I can't even claim to know method acting.
जी.
And as far as I know, even Dilip Kumar Sahab has not been to acting school, so he I don't think would have also. As far as I know,
no, he is not.
I don't think he's a student of method acting. Okay. In the sense, वो हम देख के बोलते हैं कि method acting हमको बहुत अच्छी लगती है उनकी acting.
जी.
तो method acting has become a term for good acting almost.
जी जी.
But what is method acting? I don't even know, quite honestly.
Absolutely.
So I just try. I mean, I'm a big fan of Yusuf Saab, Dilip Kumar ji. But I've never tried to emulate him also. I mean, I just try to be honest with my characters and try and come as close as I can to my characters which I'm playing.
Okay, this is Upuli from Sri Lanka.
Upuli, huh?
Upuli, yeah. Can you share a secret that your fans still don't know about you?
Yeah, pretty much everything people know about me because I don't hide anything. I don't hide anything, so people know most things about me. And if there are a few things which they don't know, then there's probably a good reason why they don't know. And let's leave it that way.
Okay, Vishal Tawar from Maharashtra.
Vishal.
Yeah, tell us something about your character in Thugs of Hindustan, please.
In Thugs of Hindustan, well, you know, Vishal, I would love to tell you, लेकिन मुझे क्या लगता है बहुत जल्दी बात करेंगे यार, थोड़ा रिलीज से पहले अपन बात करें तो मजा आएगा।
Right.
अभी वो फिल्म बन रही है, हमने अभी शूटिंग शुरू की है।
Right.
फिल्म की शूटिंग चलेगी फेब मार्च तक,
Okay.
फिर अगले साल दिवाली में हम प्लान कर रहे हैं उसको लाने का। तो बहुत जल्दी, मैं आपको किरदार के बारे में अभी से बोल दूंगा, फिर आप बोर हो जाएंगे। लेट मी सेव इट अप।
But the
Let
look that you're having.
इतना मैं बोल सकता हूँ, इट्स अ पीरियड फिल्म,
जी
1790 की कहानी है और हम सब ठग्सी हैं उसमें। तो उसके लिए बाल मेरे लंबे, दिस इज नॉट द लुक, मतलब फिल्म के अंदर मेरे बाल ऐसे पुश्ड बैक नहीं है,
राइट
ये नथनी है, कान के रिंग्स विंग्स हैं, बट दिस इज नॉट माय लुक एक्चुअली, मतलब दिस इज नॉट हाउ आई लुक इन द फिल्म।
but nothing and everything you're having in the film.
Yeah, that's why I've pierced my nose, and there's one in the middle, there's one hole here, then I made one hole here.
Yeah. So it's tough
This is the painful one.
maintaining that. Yeah, okay.
This is the painful one.
Right, and I'm sure that you must have selected the Natni after a lot of.
Yeah. No, we were very particular of what we wanted. In fact, this one is in the film. But this one is not the one I wear in the film. ये तो अभी शूटिंग नहीं हो रही है तो मैं ये पहना हूँ,
Right.
वरना होल बंद हो जाएगा।
So there's
फिल्म में बड़ा है, इतना बड़ा चक्कर है यहाँ पे,
Okay.
बिग वन।
Okay. This is, I think, Yasmin from Germany. One thing that you love the most about Turkey, you have.
I
you
just went to
had this
Turkey,
Turkey
yeah.
visit, and
Well, I had a wonderful time.
and
in
you met the
Turkey.
president as well.
I met the president as well. I met the Minister of Culture. I met all my fans.
The actress, some Hazel.
I met some of the actors and actresses. It was a very memorable trip. मतलब इतना मुझे प्यार मिला. I was, from the time that I landed at the airport, you know,
Right.
I was given a lot of love and from warmth and very warm welcome. So I was there for 4 days. I had a great time. You know, I had a great time. It's a beautiful country. Even in terms of natural beauty, it's an
yeah.
amazing place.
That's true.
But ultimately, I always feel that a country is made up of the people.
Right.
You know, and the Turkish people are very wonderful. Yeah. They're very loving, very warm, very passionate. And in fact, the fact is that my introduction to Turkey was through the people. 5 years before I went to Turkey,
Dhoom 3.
I had actually come to know about Turkey through the people.
Yeah.
Because on my Facebook and my Twitter, and they've been writing to me. I've been reading the comments. So our relationship has started 5-6 years ago only. Since I think that since
Dhoom 3, I think.
No, 3 Idiots.
Three
Before
Idiots,
that,
okay.
3 Idiots.
Yeah, but the entire, I think they insisted that your movie should be releasing in Turkey, and I think Dhoom 3 released the same day as.
No, it didn't. It did.
okay,
अभी तक
not
कोई
the
भी film same day नहीं release हुई
Secret
है.
Superstar is the first one.
Secret Superstar is the first one, which is coming on the
Releasing
same
the
day.
same day.
Yeah. मतलब वहाँ पे 20th को है, Friday को, यहाँ पे 19th है, but same time. मतलब
Absolutely.
एक दिन का फर्क है.
This is the same time.
So, you know, I had a wonderful time in Turkey. It's a great place and the people are really wonderful. Very wonderful people.
Yeah, then the pictures and everything, there were many of them actually. Okay, this is Shahid from Dubai. What can we expect from Thugs in terms of story, spectacle, VFX?
Well, Shahid, Thugs, as I said earlier, even to the earlier question, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना चाहूँगा because it's too early to speak about the film.
Right.
I don't want the excitement to start so early, but then
I think he's mentioned
Fizzle off.
VFX is something which is.
yeah. So it is a very big action adventure film.
Right.
It's not a realistic historical film नहीं है. Period है 1790 की कहानी, लेकिन वो बैकड्रॉप हमने यूज किया है. कहानी फिक्शनल है, ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं है हिस्ट्री में जो हम
जी.
कहानी दिखा रहे हैं.
जी.
So it's a fictional piece. It's a larger than life action adventure kind of film. Action adventure is the genre, and my character is very entertaining. I'm playing a very entertaining character.
Okay.
Yeah, he's a very entertaining character.
Yeah, it's looking very, very good as well.
Victor has written some wonderful lines, and you know he's written. Actually, all the characters are very beautifully written. Mr. Bachchan's role, Fatima's role, my role. These are the three key.
Katrina is there as well. Right?
Katrina is, well, yeah, she's also there. She's also there.
Right.
But in all fairness, I don't know whether I can call it a lead role. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I mean, she's got 2 songs out of 3.
Okay.
So in that sense, she's got an important part. But
So Fatima is opposite you?
Fatima, वो सब आप फिल्म में देखना. The story is about this girl, which is being played by Fatima. She's playing the central role.
Oh, okay.
The story is of Fatima.
Great. This is, I think, a very interesting question. I think you really enjoyed answering that. Maybe. Kanad Roy from Durgapur, West Bengal. Sir, what?
Kanad.
Ji. Sir, what according to you is required to become a superstar other than hard work?
Well, Kanad, that's a question I wish I knew the answer. Nobody knows the answer for that. Certainly you need talent. Certainly you need hard work. Certainly you need a lot of commitment and passion for what you're doing.
Right.
But along with that, you need to be, in the right place at the right time. You need to be lucky. And you need to have that intangible thing that people like in stars, which we cannot define often. And for each person it is different. Why does the audience love a particular actor more than the other? It's not necessarily always based on talent.
Ji.
It's, it could be anything. But above all, you also need, along with that, you also need to be part of great films. Because only then can you become a superstar, when you're part of great films. Like when we look at Amit Ji, for example,
Ji.
it is because he has done Zanjeer. It is because he has done Diwar. It is because he has done Muqaddar Ka Sikandar, Dawn. All these films have made him the superstar. So it's very important also to be part of good films to become a superstar.
No, absolutely. Absolutely. This is @Southtown Sue. The name is not there, but the question is interesting. So Kiran wants you to retain Shakti Kumar facial fuzz. Love the old clean shaven AK, but no stud, please.
No stud.
So Kiran wants you to retain the facial fuzz.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. See, now Kiran has come to terms with the fact
that you keep on.
that every 1 year I will have a totally different look. So how I'm looking in Dangal is different. In fact, Dangal में तो मेरी दो अलग-अलग look है.
जी.
One is old and fat and grey, and one is young and very muscular. That the young Mahavir is very like a bull,
Right.
So there were two looks in Dangal. Then I went on to Secret Superstar, which had a totally different look. Then I went on to Thugs, which has a different look.
Right.
So Kiran is used to the fact that every year her husband is going to look different. अब उसका कुछ इलाज नहीं है. There's no way to get around that. So she is also enjoying it.
Right. She's a creative person herself, so I'm sure that she can.
Well, creative से उसका कुछ relation नहीं है. Even if she was non-creative, my looks would have still changed every year, and she would have to deal with it. But I don't know whether she has a preference. I'm not sure whether she had a preference. I think she liked me fat.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Why would you say that?
Because she used to say it's nice to hold you. You're very cuddly,
Cuddly. Yeah, you
round
said
and
that.
soft.
You said that, yeah.
Because when I lost the weight, then my body becomes a little hard.
Right.
I think she used to like me fat.
All right, this is interesting question. Abu Bakr from Alain, UAE. What is your best performance in your opinion?
Abu Bakr ji, I don't know that, because it's very difficult for me to be critical, about my own work and compare it. I'm not able to do that, because I'm very emotionally involved with all my roles, and I'm equally close emotionally to all my roles. So I'm not able to pick one from the other.
Okay.
It's very difficult for me to decide that.
Okay, this is I am Talha Khan. Talha Khan from Mysore. When are you going to post the full video of making of Dangal on YouTube?
Oh, making of Dangal full video.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure that we have one. है कोई? I think DVD पे होगा. I'm not sure. I'll find out.
But this is an interesting question, because I think.
Yeah. What's her name?
Talha Khan from Mysore.
Okay. So Tala, I'll find out about that, and hopefully we'll put it up soon.
Okay, this is interesting. Navbhar Sharma from Delhi. Which role is the most closest to the heart of your mother?
Oh.
Right.
Wow, that's an interesting question. I think my mother had liked PK a lot.
I think you mentioned at one of the press conferences, Jaipur or somewhere, that this is the best performance that
She told me, She told me this is your best film till today.
Right.
That she has only told me. I mean, she's loved all my films. She liked 3 Idiots. She liked Tare Zameen Par. She loved Dangal also.
Right.
But I think she's never told me that. When she came out, she said, Amir, बहुत ही बेहतरीन film है. और ये आपके करियर की बेस्ट फिल्म है, आपका सबसे अच्छा काम इसमें। For PK she had said that.
Yeah, definitely. I think with all this Gurmeet Ram Rahim and all these things coming in, relevance is definitely growing with each passing day. This is Swati from Manchester. What are the limitations you consider as a producer and an actor when signing a movie?
What are the limitations?
Maybe she has not phrased it properly. What she's trying to say is that what is it that you look when you are a producer and an actor when you are signing a movie? What is it that you look when you're signing?
When I'm signing a film, actually, whether it's as an actor or producer, that's not important. Whenever I'm selecting a film to be part of, no matter in what capacity, for me the important thing is that does the script really touch my heart? Is it something that I fall in love with?
Right.
That's it. That's the consideration I make. If it's a script that I fall in love with, then I want to be a part of it, whether as an actor or as a producer or both.
Right. How do you? In fact, we've spoken in the beginning as well, but industry has a lot of. It looks up to you because, especially this year, we've had like I think a rather bad year because a lot of movies they've not done well as far as box office is concerned, and now Secret Superstar is coming. But at the same time, people always have this thing that if an Amar Khan film is coming, so there will be something new to look forward to as far as the distributor is concerned, the exhibitors are concerned, the people are concerned. Do you find it in a way inspirational that people have these hopes from you and somehow they feel that you have this magic mantra that
नहीं वो inspirational नहीं, वो मुझे डराता है और it only scares me more.
Right.
Because as the release gets closer, I get more and more nervous, and I have no idea what expectations people have from me.
Yeah.
We have just made a film that we believed in. It's a story that we love, and that's what we have made. I have no idea what business it will do. So these kind of expectations normally scare me more.
Okay.
थोड़ा मैं और nervous हो जाता हूँ release से पहले.
Okay.
I would prefer people having an expectation of how good the film is.
Right.
तो कितना बिजनेस करेगी वो सब टेंशन मुझे नहीं चाहिए ना, वो मैंने सोचा जब मैंने सेलेक्ट की थी फिल्म
जी.
तो आई वुड प्रेफर इफ पीपल वुड कम विद दैट आइडिया इन माइंड हाउ गुड इज द फिल्म, बिकॉज आई थिंक वी हैव मेड अ फिल्म which we are happy with. I hope that audiences also like it.
But I think you've always said that cinema is more of like an artistic expression for you more than
Certainly,
commercial.
for me it is. For me it is.
And if more people can, I think of it in from that context, maybe we'll have better
Actually,
success
more
ratio
than artistic, because artistic also has other connotations. For me it is, am I communicating with my audience?
Right.
Because I strongly believe that the primary and fundamental responsibility, जो main काम है मेरा as an entertainer, is to entertain.
जी. Yeah, that's true.
I have to give you a good time.
That is true.
आप जो टिकट खरीद के आए हो अंदर और इस भरोसे पे आए हो कि यार पैसा अपना वसूल होगा, वो होना चाहिए. That's very important for me.
Right. And apart from that, I've mentioned that at times as well that.
And when I say entertain means
जी.
सिर्फ हंसी मजाक कराना, वो उसको
बिल्कुल
एंटरटेनमेंट मैं नहीं मानता हूँ. मतलब सिर्फ वो एंटरटेनमेंट है ऐसा नहीं मानता. मुझे लगता है कि आप रंग दे बसंती में भी एंटरटेन कर सकते हैं, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बोल रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
आप पीके या 3 इडियट्स में भी एंटरटेन कर, आप तारे ज़मीं पर भी एंटरटेन कर सकते हैं. एंटरटेन से मतलब एंगेज, you're engaging the audience. आपको जज्बाती तौर पे बहुत सारी चीजें महसूस हो रही हैं, आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, फिल्म देख के आपको मजा आता है. तो अब चाहे वो ड्रामा हो, चाहे वो कॉमेडी हो, चाहे वो एक्शन एडवेंचर हो जैसे ठग्स है
जी,
but ultimately no matter what genre you're making, you must entertain the audience. That is, I feel it's very important.
Right. But the fact is that जो आपने credibility आपने जो बनाया है, and somewhere that if you say something, people believe that. Like I'll give you an example. This is something that I've always, I think, respected as well. That for Dhobi Ghat, you said that I can easily say that it's like a Amir Khan film. Come and we can have like a 50.
हाँ, आपने को अच्छी ओपनिंग लग जाएगी.
Yeah.
But मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता.
तलाश में आपने बोला कि that it is definitely more entertaining than Dhobi Ghat, but it is not in the same league.
It's
as
not
like
a typical mainstream
it's
film.
like not a
नहीं,
three idiots
नहीं,
sort of thing either. It is entertaining.
Yeah.
And so when you say that Dangal is out and out entertainer, people actually trust that. People actually believe that because लेकिन वहाँ पर आपने आपने ईमानदारी से आपने सबूत दिया था कि आपने बोला था कि यार ये इस तरीके की फिल्म है.
Correct.
तो ये do you feel that the fact that you've been honest to what you've always been doing, it is helping you maybe in the broader perspective in terms of the credibility that you've.
No, certainly it is helping me, but that's not why I'm doing it.
Right.
I'm not doing it so that I get helped.
जी.
I'm doing it because that is my responsibility. मुझे अपनी ऑडियंस को सच बताना है कि अपनी फिल्म इस टाइप की, ये जो मैंने फिल्म बनाई है वो इस टाइप की है.
Right.
I have to be honest about what I'm, what I have made, and I want the audience to trust me. Okay, when I'm telling them that this is the kind of film it is, that is the kind of film it is.
Yeah, that's true.
That we have made.
That's true. That's true. Okay, just last few questions.
Sure.
This is Anish Mohanty from Bhubaneswar. When will you make your second film as a director?
Anish.
जी.
Anish Mohanty.
Anish Mohanty, yes.
Anish
From
Mohanty.
Bhubaneswar.
Anish, I don't know when I'll make my next film because, I mean, I would love to make my next film as a director soon, but right now I'm really enjoying myself as an actor. And once I direct, then I won't be able to act for some time.
Right.
As it is, people complain that my films are less.
Right.
So if I direct a film, then वो 4 साल निकल जाएंगे. In between the release of, suppose today I decide कि मुझे film direct करनी है.
जी जी.
Thugs will get over March, April, the shooting will get over.
Right.
Post production भी होगा. So if I'm directing a film, it will start after the release of Thugs. Correct?
Correct.
तो Thugs के रिलीज के बाद मुझे 2 साल तो लगेंगे फिल्म बनाने में.
Right.
तो फिर 3 साल के बाद मेरी एज ए डायरेक्टर मेरी 2 साल के बाद फिल्म आएगी. करेक्ट?
Absolutely.
एज ए डायरेक्टर. और एज एन एक्टर 4 साल के बाद आएगी. तो फिर मुझे और गालियां पड़ेंगी. तो आई थिंक इस वक्त मैं एक्टिंग करूंगा. देन आई when I really am dying to direct, I'll do that. Because right now also I'm enjoying my work as an actor.
No, absolutely. And I think you're at the top of your game right now, which is wonderful. This is at the rate Shri_AK from Varanasi.
Shri, हाँ.
Ji, do you notice your die-hard fans who idolize your work and do their bit to promote your films on social media platforms? And do you have anything to tell them?
Most certainly, I am most grateful to my fans who go out of their way to support me, to support my films, and really, when my films are coming out, they are very, very supportive and they really build up the atmosphere before the release. I'm very grateful for that, and actually, it is the support of my fans which gives me the strength.
Right.
A lot of times people ask me, आपको डर नहीं लगता है आप ऐसे अलग अलग फिल्में करते हैं which are very risky films. I do get scared, I do get frightened, I get nervous. But the one thing that gives me encouragement and support is the fact that no matter how unusual and different films I've picked, my fans have always supported me.
Right.
It is their support that gives me the strength to do more and more unusual stuff and different stuff.
No, absolutely. This is Rishabh from Jaipur. My question to Amir sir is that when will Secret Superstar release in China?
Rishabh, China में it will release as soon as possible because in China it is the the film associations over there, which is part of the government. They decide the release date.
Right.
So the release date is not up to us.
Correct.
So the film will go there for censors. They will go in there. They'll watch the film. They also have China has a policy of
25 films.
40 films,
Okay.
which they release every year from outside of China, non-Chinese films.
Right.
तो उसमें इंडिया में से वो लोग 4-6 फिल्में लेते हैं. 4 to 6 films
Correct.
come from India. So they select the films, and hopefully our film will be selected.
No, I'm sure that
and
it will
hopefully,
because
hopefully it will release soon. I'm trying to release it as soon as possible in China.
Maybe this year.
Hopefully this year only or early next year, as soon as possible.
Right. Maybe like a Christmas release in China.
Why not? I hope so. I hope.
Ji, this is Rishabh from Jaipur once again. When will Dangal release in Korea and Japan after huge success of the film in countries like Taiwan, China, and Hong Kong?
Yeah, I'm hoping
Japan
it
is a huge
Japan
market.
is not yet released, and Korea also is yet to release.
Right.
So hopefully soon it will release in Korea and Japan also.
I think PK released in Korea.
PK has released in Korea, I suppose. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dangal is yet to release them. It's on the cards. It'll come out soon.
I think Korea is a very interesting market as well.
Yes, definitely.
Korea is a very interesting market as well.
In fact, Korean content also travels a lot.
In terms of movies, I think
yeah,
they
yeah.
have
A lot
some
of
really
kids
good
watch.
films.
A lot of kids watch
Yeah.
Korean films, and
Quite a few people copy in Bombay as well, in India.
that I don't know. But I'm saying Korean films are quite popular all over the world.
This I think you've already answered, but
Most
still
of them,
I'll
yeah.
take it. It's from Turkey once again. Kardalan from Turkey. I couldn't go to meet you because I live far from those cities you visited. How will you sum up your experiences in Turkey? Will you visit there again?
Kardalan, I had a wonderful time in Turkey,
You
and
had the ice cream as well, Turkish ice cream.
great ice cream. Even the experience of trying to grab it was fun. And the ice cream also is lovely. It's got a nice sticky quality to it.
Right.
But I had a wonderful time there, and it was a really memorable trip for me, one that was long overdue. And all that I had heard about Turkey from my wife, it was even better than that. And I will definitely come back. This time, Kiran and I will come together with Azad and maybe my other kids also. And we'll come for a longer trip the second time round.
Right.
And this time I would like to travel to other parts of Turkey as well. And instead of, because this was also in a sense a work trip because it was to promote
Ji.
Secret Superstar. So is dafa I want to go on a holiday with no work and just purely experience the country, and the different places in Turkey.
Right. Okay. We'll end this interview on this one secret that people would like to know about. The fact that you have this pillow that you carry with yourself each time you're going on the airport. They tend to see.
Yeah.
So if you can please talk about that secret of what that pillow is all about.
I love that pillow, and that's the pillow I sleep with every night.
Okay.
So
I'm sure in first class they must be giving you pillows.
Yeah, we get pillows.
Yeah.
Wherever I go, hotels they will have pillows, aircraft they have pillows.
But you like this.
But I like that pillow of mine, so I travel with that pillow everywhere. Yeah.
That's very interesting. So thank you very much. It was lovely talking to you as always, and I'm sure that it's worth the wait for all the fans as well who had been. There are many more questions, but I'm sure that at least they'll be satisfied that they've had a few of them that have been there.
Sure.
And looking forward to Secret Superstar and Thugs of Hindustan and everything else that you're planning. And I think a lot of stuff that you do in terms of the society as well. That I think that's really wonderful in terms of Pani and. Whenever Satyam Jayate next edition happens, would love to look forward to that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks.
Always a pleasure talking.
Thank you.
Thanks.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Amir, and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.